Welcome! In today's video, I'll show how to prevent notifications for private chats on the Telegram app for PC. If you're constantly getting message alerts while trying to focus, this quick guide will help you turn them off in just a few steps. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Once it's open, look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see 3 small horizontal lines. Those lines open the main menu. Go ahead and click on them. From the menu that appears, find and click on Settings. This section is where you can manage everything about your Telegram account: your appearance, privacy, and of course, notifications. Now that you're in Settings, look for the option labeled Notifications and Sounds. Click on it to open the full list of notification controls. This is where Telegram gives you the ability to fine-tune how and when you get alerts. Inside this menu, you'll see several categories: private chats, group chats, and channels. Since we only want to stop notifications for private chats, focus on the private chat section. All you need to do is find the switch next to private chats and toggle it off. Once that switch is disabled, Telegram will stop sending notifications every time you receive a new private message. You'll still get the message in your chat list, but there will be no pop-up or sound alert interrupting your work or call.